I'm Nico Rosberg.
Hi, I'm Lewis Hamilton. It's time to get street smart.
I was faster than you that session.
No, you weren't.
For sure I was.
No, you weren't.
Well, okay, let's settle it now then.
Yeah, I got a stopwatch. Let's do it.
Okay, come on.
All right. 1, 2, 3, go. 4.6.
Yeah, new record right there.
In 5 seconds, a driver has to jump out from the cockpit. Very, very quick movement. When the car is crashing and something is wrong about the car and the driver needs to come out very, very fast. So that's why the rule requires 5 seconds. They need to withstand to 2.5 tons of tensile load, so very, very high load.
In Formula 1, we have a 6-point harness seatbelt, which we have to have our engineers strap us in with.
And once it's fixed up tightly, it's 2 things. One, it feels very, very safe, of course. But on the other hand, to breathe out there on the racing track, it does make it a lot more difficult. And that's what makes it tougher fitness-wise.
The driver has to stay in this monocoque for roughly 2 hours, but has to do quite a lot of action with the arm and as well with the leg. Obviously, it's not important only for Formula 1. It's important for all the road cars. Safety belts are so important to save life.
Okay. So, ready, set, go. 4.98. I beat you by half a second.